Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to escape quicksand. First, it's crucial to remain calm and avoid panicking. Panicking will only make you sink faster and exhaust your energy. Next, try to distribute your weight as much as possible. Lean back, almost as if you are floating on your back. This increases your surface area, making it harder to sink further. Also, immediately drop any heavy items you might be carrying. Once you've stabilized, focus on freeing your legs. Slowly and gently move one leg, almost like a bicycle pedal motion, to create a small space around it. This allows water to seep into the void, reducing the suction. Then, very slowly pull that leg out. Repeat this process with the other leg. Remember, quick, jerky movements will only increase the suction and make it harder to escape. Patience is your greatest ally when escaping quicksand. Take deep, slow breaths to help maintain your composure and regulate your heart rate. This also helps conserve your energy. If you feel yourself getting tired, rest for a moment. Even small, slow movements require significant effort against the suction. Rushing will only make the situation worse, so take your time and be deliberate with every action. After successfully freeing yourself, do not stand up immediately. Instead, crawl slowly and deliberately towards solid ground. This helps distribute your weight and prevents you from sinking again if the ground is still unstable. Once you are completely out, assess yourself for any injuries or extreme exhaustion. If needed, seek assistance. And hey, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.